Hey, this is Rodney Mize with Goldman Equipment. I'm here talking with Scott Blaylock. And you know, John Deere's got some of the best fluids on the market today, don't they, Scott?
They do, and we all understand that the livelihood of our equipment is off of maintenance itself. Engine oil, transmission fluids, air filters, fuel filters.
Let's talk a little bit about this oil real quick.
Okay.
First off, we got the hydraulic oil. Tell us a little bit about the hydraulic oil, Scott.
Okay, you're looking at a 5-gallon bucket of our High Guard. Part number is AR69444. We use this in all of our large ag applications. Transmission, 1,500 hours on running time on this fluid. Filters normally are changed on 7-8 series tractors, 9 series around 700 hours, 750 hours.
Now, this engine oil here, that's good for 500 hours, isn't it, Scott?
It is. That's a John Deere Plus 52. This oil was designed for Stage 3B, IT4, and FT4 tractors with our DEF systems on it, but can be used on older equipment. And what this oil does is you get 500 hours. So once a year, and now we deal with a lot of disking, tilling, planting, and after harvest, all of our equipment runs off of this. So you might have 200 to 300 hours in a year on a tractor or a little more. When you put them up at the end of the year, we notice that the first year most farmers start coming in, buying this to get their extended, get them all through planting, through harvest.
Right, because you don't want to stop halfway through the year
and
have to change oil again.
That's right.
Now, the coolant down here, that's pre-mixed, right?
It's pre-mixed, got low silicate in it. It's good for, I think it's 6 years, 6,000 hours. At that point, you want to flush the whole system, come back and put a new Cool Guard 2 in it. So it's really good for
Good stuff. Best fluids on the market right here. John Deere quality. We'll keep you going longer with less worry overall. So until next time, thank you.
See y'all later.